What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your man Chazz Ellis once again, and I'm gonna tell you how to get a guy to stop playing games. Now, what most women try to do is play games back. But what you have to understand is that when you're dealing with somebody who plays games, that's what they expect you to do. They're prepared for those consequences. So trying to play games with a game player is generally a waste of time. A lot of women also try to resort to insults.
Boy, you easy.
When you resort to insults with somebody who likes to play games, they're prepared for that and they know how to combat it. So those are not ways to get a guy to stop playing games. The first step to getting a dude to stop playing games is to devalue him. Make him feel like you no longer see him as a boyfriend. Make him feel that he is no longer the person in your mind that he used to be. No one likes to be devalued. No one likes to be told that they're not good enough. People don't mind if you get pissed off at them. People don't mind if they hurt your feelings a lot of times because they still know that you're just hurt, but they have the same value. But nobody likes to be devalued. So when you make a person feel like they've lost value, most of the time they try to get it back. Ignore. A lot of times we give attention to negativity while ignoring positivity. That's why a lot of kids act out. You know, the teacher may not give them any attention, or their parents may not give them enough attention at home, or they may not feel like they're getting enough attention. So what do? They go negative.
And my mama gonna come in and tell me to go clean the dishes.
They start acting up. They throw things. They yell. They just act a doggone fool. Why? They want attention. If you don't give it attention, then they know that the only way to get attention is to be positive. Most people act negatively because they want that attention. You're giving them the positive feedback. It's an ego boost to them. When they see you get all bent out of shape, you know, sending them old angry ass text messages. I hate you. Why did you hurt me so bad? When they see you doing things like that, it simply tells them that you were affected. It tells them that they matter. It tells them that they're getting the attention that they crave. If you want someone to stop acting like that, don't give them the attention. What you also have to realize is they dated people before you. In a lot of cases, they treated those people like queens. They were there for them every second. Oh, can I get you some champagne? Did I call you enough? I text you all the time. It didn't work. They got left out in the cold. She dated some bad boy. She played him to the left. Now they feel like acting like a jerk or playing games is the only way to keep a girl interested. So if you ignore that behavior, it shows them that it doesn't work for them at least. So then they probably stop. You have to reward good behavior. Be real with yourself. If you're the type of person who gives all their attention to bad behavior and act like good behavior is routine, ignore it, treat it like it doesn't matter, take it for granted, then you have to reverse that. Once you start ignoring bad behavior, you have to reward good behavior. If somebody brings you flowers, act like you care. Act like it was a good thing. Talk to that person. Call that person. Give them more attention. If somebody takes you out on a really nice date, give that person more attention. Because if the only attention you pay to them is when they pull back or when they start playing games, you're telling them that the games work on you. You're telling them to play games. If that's the only time you pay attention, is that's the only time you try to call or text that person or spend any real time with them is when they play games, guess what? They're going to keep playing games. They're going to play you like Monopoly. So you have to make sure that in your mind, in the way you operate, you're taking the time to pay attention to somebody who is treating you well. You're taking the time to reward good behavior. You're kissing, you're hugging, you're telling them they did something great, you're writing letters, whatever it is that you like to do, but you're doing those things to reward positive behavior. That way you reinforce that and you keep them doing it more and more and more. If not, You get the negative, you get the player stuff. And if you pay attention to the player stuff, you get more player stuff.